Now that's pizza. People always say to me, well, I'm not a chef. Well, I don't know how to make pizza. We all know how to make pizza. Does this belong on the pizza? Yes, pickles belong on the pizza. Does this belong on the pizza? Of course! Does this belong on the pizza? Of course OJ belongs on the pizza. You gotta get your daily dose of vitamin C. It's not about the dough or the sauce. That stuff is easy. Like, literally, you could just order that stuff.
I thought you were gonna teach us how to make pizzas.
She was a foot soldier. Yeah, one of the bad guys. So... It's everything that happens after. That's where the real pizza is born. Yeah, dudes, Cowabunga. That's it, pour it on. Yeah, gym socks. Yeah, come on. You with the kitty litter, little more. Yeah, really cover that za. Oh yeah, great job, class. You're all learning. The look on my students' face when they take that first bite, that's the moment that makes it all worthwhile. Cowabunga! Yeah, dudes! I'm Michelangelo, and this is my Mastermind.